In this video, we're going to take a look at an individual derivative. We've got the function e to the x over an x squared plus 5. So this is going to be a straight quotient rule. So we're going to start with f prime of x. We're going to take the denominator, x squared plus 5, times the derivative of the top. So derivative of e to the x is e to the x. Then we'll do minus the top function, which is e to the x, and then the derivative of that denominator, which is going to be a 2x. And that will be all over the denominator squared. So we'll have an x squared plus a 5 to the second power. All right, now on the top there, I'm just going to distribute the e to the x. So we're going to have an e to the xx squared, and then a 5 e to the x. Minus, we'll clean this up here a little bit and make that a 2x e to the x, and then all over the x squared plus 5 to the second power. All right, now technically right there is your derivative. You can stop, or you can go ahead and factor that numerator. There is an e to the x in each one of those terms, so then technically we could factor that out, e to the x. That would leave us with that x squared plus a 5 minus a 2x. And you could even put those in descending order so that it looks more like a quadratic. Denominator would remain the same, x squared plus 5 to the second power. All right, so technically either one of those answers would be sufficient. So definitely just a straightforward Calc 1 derivative using quotient rule. Definitely thanks for watching, and if the videos are helping, please share with your friends so they can benefit too. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks.